Every once in a while, a true breakthrough happens. A breakthrough so relevant, so novel, it changes and improves everything. These discoveries and breakthroughs happen in many ways: technology, communication, transportation, the human body, human nutrition. Sometimes these breakthroughs are so meaningful, they redefine and restructure the consumer's thought process and form new meanings, new behaviors. Le-Vel has created one of these breakthroughs, and it's a first of its kind. A hybrid product discovery, a nutritional technology breakthrough, and a product that changes everything. Introducing the world's first sequential collagen protein gel. Form. Form is the latest addition to Le-Vel's sequential gel technology line. More importantly, it's the latest discovery for the human body and human nutrition. Using Le-Vel's proprietary hydrolyzed collagen protein in combination with their proprietary delivery system, sequential gel technology, Form is the world's only sequentially absorbed protein. The most unique hybrid innovation of our time. Form was specifically designed for weight management, lean muscle mass, post-exercise recovery and repair, strong bones and joints, firm and healthy skin. Collagen is the second most common substance found in the human body, the first being water. It's estimated that 1/3 of all protein in the body is collagen protein. Collagen is the foundation for strong connective tissues. Aging causes collagen protein to break down, weakening the connective tissues. Not only does the collagen break down, but the body loses the ability to produce more. Our premium-grade hydrolyzed collagen protein is designed to help the body repair itself by introducing collagen protein into the body, allowing the body to repair, rebuild, to form. This breakthrough discovery of collagen protein, combined with a sequential delivery system, allowing you to truly maximize absorption, has made Form a hybrid product to equally support weight management, lean muscle mass, post-exercise recovery and repair, strong bones and joints, firm and healthy skin. Individuals combining Form with the Thrive 8-week experience can take pride in knowing that they're supporting their body with the best nutritional technology available today. Le-Vel is more than pleased to present its latest breakthrough, Form. Le-Vel, the world leader in human nutrition innovations.